Hey guys, so today I thought I'd do a cold start on my grandfather's McCulloch Beaver model 2014 chainsaw. So it's been about a week now since I've got it running. Well, actually just a little bit over a week since I got it running. And so I thought I'd just do a cold start, see how well it'll start, and I'll do a little short cutting video with it too. Okay, so let's see how it starts. So it's been probably nearly a week since it last ran. And just one little last minute repair I decided to do on it. Yesterday I replaced the starter rope, so that's a brand new starter rope. Okay. She's turned on. It's on choke, and we'll just give it about 5 primes. Okay. Set the throttle advance. And let's see how she starts. Okay, so half choke. Cool, started up pretty good. Cool. So as you can see, it actually cuts really well. And so yeah. So again, it's a little cold start video and a little short cutting video of my grandfather's McCulloch Beaver model 2014 chainsaw with a 14-inch bar. And I think some of y'all were saying that it has a 20cc engine, but I think 20 cc's is just a little bit underpowered for a chainsaw. I think it has more than 20, but whatever. And so again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I think I'm going to go inside because it's getting humid outside. And in fact, the Ranger game is fixing to come on. I'm going to go and watch it. Watch them play the Yankees. So cool. Alright guys, so hope y'all enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.